All right, this video I got some stuff to help me clean up the vehicles a little bit, so let's get into it, right? All right, first up we have whatever that name is. You see what it is? It's a foam sprayer, but it doesn't hook to your pressure washer, it hooks to a water hose. So if you don't have a pressure washer, you can still use a foam cannon. Just hook it to your water hose. Don't know how it's going to work. I've never used one of these. I have used a foam cannon on a pressure washer before, but I wasn't really happy with it, and I took it back. I got it from one of the parts houses around here. But I got another one, so we're going to try this one on the water hose and the other one on the pressure washer. Obviously, that'll be a different video because I got to get the pressure washer cleaned up. I got to clean the carburetor again because it's been sitting. Anyway, you see right there, cleaning up the cars. Don't know if I'd spray it on a horse, but you know, whatever. You do you, right? All right. Now, I'm going to open the packages in a minute. I'm going to have to because you can't see what this one is. And it don't really have a picture on it or anything. It's Worx. You want to see it any longer, pause the video. It's a Worx foam cannon hooks to a pressure washer. So let me get these packages opened and come back. All right. Got the packages open. As you can see, it's a Worx brand. It's a standard pressure washer fitting. There's how you control the flow, and I don't know what this is. This controls something. The amount of soap, or well, this should be the soap. Guess I probably should read the instructions, right? We'll find out when we go to use it. Maybe this is the fan of it or something. I don't know. But I like this. Instead of having to screw it off like the other one, it's just like a quick connect. I like that part. That's pretty handy. Hopefully it won't leak. So this one, you do have to screw on. And of course it's got the measurements on it right there. And it's got a flow, or I guess that's the amount of soap that comes out. And it's got the fan. You can take this off and turn it this way if you want. This black piece was separate. I had to install it. It just pushes in. It's pretty neat. Now I don't think it'll go any kind of way. It'll either go straight up and down or this way. So it also comes with this metal piece that hooks to your water hose, or brass piece. Just screws in there like that. Tightens up, and it's a quick disconnect. This stays on your water hose. That's pretty awesome right there. I like that. So we're gonna try these out one day in a video. I don't know when. We'll see. Depends on if it's cold or not. I ain't messing with no water in the cold, even though it don't really get all that cold down here, but still. And you know, a little gripe, if you will. This, you seen the package it came in. Plenty of room to have this in it. This was rolled up and stuck inside. You got to have a small hand to fit in there to get that out. Why they would do that is pretty stupid. I mean, it is the instruction book, but it is what it is. And the Worx cannon, foam cannon, also came with an instruction book. I guess you'd call it a book, paper, maybe. So just in case you don't know how to use it, there you go. So let me look at something real quick and I'll come back. One thing I forgot to mention is, with this being a quick disconnect, you soak down the vehicle, right? Hook your water hose here, soak down your vehicle. Then you let the soap soak or you scrub, whatever you want to do. And then you can take this off and use this to rinse it off because it's a flow through. Let me show you what I mean by flow through. This quick connect is just a flow through. That's pretty awesome. And then you can rinse it off. It ain't clean enough. Hook it back on here. Soap it up again. All right, it doesn't say what it does if you turn this. Maybe it just turns the direction of the fan of the spray. This is how much foamed detergent comes out. And I'm sure it's the same on the other one too. Now this says this only works, if you read this right here, it only works on a 2300 PSI pressure washer. I'm pretty sure when I ordered this, it said it would work on like 3000. And my pressure washer is 2800 PSI. So when I hook it up, it may blow it apart. I don't know, but we're going to try it. When we do, we'll see if it works and how good it works. And of course, you know, this one, let me put it back together. This one here, it just works on a garden hose, like I said. And it also came with, check this out, so you don't have to use your own, came with this. So, will this go on here? If it's the same as a garden hose, it should. And look at there, yes it does. There you go. There's your foam cannon. Now, from what I heard, or what I've read, you don't fill this all the way up with detergent. You only put a little bit in here and fill it the rest of the way up with water, I guess. I mean, that's, or do you? I don't know. I guess I need to read the instructions a little bit more, because it would be kind of weird if it adds water to it to put a water mixture in here. I don't know. I'll have to read. And when I do the video on using it, I'll tell you all about that. And we'll see how good it foams up, either on my wife's car or my truck. Although my truck is white, you might not be able to see the foam very good, and you would on her car. Her car is black. So we'll see. Anyway, just want to show you those two little items. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.